When Toyota sets out to build one of the largest and most luxurious motorhomes in the world, the result is not just a vehicle, it's a bold, disruptive vision of large-scale luxury travel. This is the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome, a unique creation that reflects Toyota's ambitious approach to premium long-distance mobility. It blends commercial-grade engineering with residential-level comfort, purpose-built for long interstate journeys across the United States. Below is a complete breakdown of its design, interior space, performance, technology, safety, pricing, ownership costs, and whether this towering, mobile apartment truly meets the core needs of American buyers. Exterior design. The 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome makes an immediate visual impact with its exceptional height, commanding presence, and clean, architectural lines. The two-story structure is not merely for visual drama, it is engineered to maximize interior living space while maintaining driving stability and road confidence. Toyota's signature modern minimalist design language runs throughout the vehicle. Seamless body panels, expansive panoramic windows, and integrated LED lighting systems work together to create a premium, futuristic aesthetic. Despite its massive size, the motorhome avoids looking bulky or industrial. Instead, it delivers the elegance of a refined luxury travel vehicle, equally at home on U.S. highways and RV parks, or on long cross-state routes. Interior space and living experience. Step inside and it quickly stops. Feeling like a traditional RV, the interior resembles a high-end modern apartment on wheels. The lower level serves as the main living and entertainment zone, featuring a spacious and comfortable lounge area, a fully equipped residential-style kitchen, a refined dining space. Every element supports both daily living and social interaction. Materials are carefully selected to strike a precise balance between durability and upscale luxury. The upper level fully exploits the double-decker layout, creating a private retreat that includes a dedicated master sleeping area, a full bathroom, a flexible multi-purpose room that can function as a lounge, mobile office, or guest bedroom. This two-level separation delivers an uncommon level of privacy and residential comfort, making it ideal for long-term travel or full-time RV living, especially appealing to U.S. buyers planning extended journeys. Powertrain and performance. The core objective of the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome is smooth, confident long-distance travel, not aggressive performance. The powertrain is specially tuned to deliver strong, usable torque, capable of handling the vehicle's weight while maintaining stable highway cruising. Acceleration is controlled and predictable, while the suspension system is optimized for extended road use. It effectively absorbs road imperfections, ensuring comfort even after thousands of miles on the road. This motorhome is designed specifically to reduce driver fatigue and make crossing America's vast landscapes feel relaxed and effortless. Smart technology. Despite its size, the motorhome fully meets modern expectations for smart technology. It features a large central touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, optimized for oversized vehicles, seamless smartphone integration, a fully digital driver display showing real-time vehicle data, fuel efficiency, and route planning. In the living area, a centralized smart control system allows occupants to manage lighting, climate, entertainment systems, and power usage with ease. All of this builds on Toyota's strong reputation for reliability and user-friendly system design. Safety systems. Safety is a top priority, especially given the vehicle's size and passenger capacity. Key safety features include a reinforced chassis and body structure, advanced braking and stability control systems, a full suite of driver assistance technologies including lane monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and collision prevention. The elevated driving position provides excellent visibility, while a comprehensive surround view camera system significantly simplifies maneuvering and parking. As a result, the driving experience feels far more manageable than the vehicle's dimensions suggest. Pricing and ownership. The 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome sits firmly in the high-end motorhome segment. Its pricing reflects the complexity of the double-decker design, extensive use of premium materials, deep integration of advanced systems. While it costs significantly more than traditional single-level motorhomes, the space, comfort, and residential quality it offers are in a different league altogether. For buyers who prioritize long-term comfort and livability, the value proposition is strong. Toyota is expected to offer factory-supported customization options, extended warranties, and U.S.-specific financing programs, helping reduce long-term ownership costs while maintaining full manufacturer integration and coverage. Final verdict. The true strength of the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome lies in the fusion of three key elements: unmatched interior space, premium, apartment-level comfort, Toyota's renowned engineering reliability, rather than chasing luxury for its own sake. This motorhome focuses on practical comfort, safety, and long-term usability. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome represents a major breakthrough in large-scale luxury travel designed for Americans who want to explore the entire country without compromising on space, comfort, or peace of mind.